Bulking isn't easy. Eating a lot of calories, keeping track of all your macros, and maintaining a strict training schedule, all on top of either school or work, or both, could get very stressful and frustrating. I've been trying to bulk for the past month, and it straight up feels like a second full-time job. And that's why efficiency is everything. So I keep my morning simple with a high calorie and high protein overnight oats recipe that I'm gonna share with you guys today. It's simple, efficient, and it tastes good. All right, now let's get started. So this recipe has about 950 calories, about 55 grams of protein, 97 grams of carbohydrates, and 39 grams of fat. And we'll be using the following ingredients. So we got our oats, we got some whole milk, we got some chocolate whey protein, some peanut butter, some chocolate chips. I go with dark chocolate chips. And we're gonna be prepping about 3 servings. So I got my 3 little mason jars right here. So we're gonna start with 1 cup of oats. Well, each half a cup has 150 calories, so 1 cup's gonna make it 300 calories, 10 grams of protein, and 54 grams of carbs just from that 1 cup of oats. Let's go here, a little bit more. Yeah, all right. And the last one here. Yeah, oh, damn, making a mess. So I'm gonna use whole milk. Each cup has got 150 calories, 8 grams of protein, about 12 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fat. You could go with another base if you want to. If you wanna use almond milk, go ahead. Like I said, because I'm bulking, I'm just trying to get in as many macros as possible. So that's why I'm just gonna go with whole milk. Got a cup here. I'm gonna drop that in there. Next, I'm gonna throw in 2 spoons of this peanut butter. 1 spoon here. 2 spoons here. All right, now we're gonna go in with a scoop of the chocolate whey protein. Yeah, buddy. All right, it's 1 scoop here, 2 scoop here. Oh. Yo, you know how they say, you gotta clean as you go. Now we still gotta add the chocolate chips, but you know, you could just give it a little bit of a stir just to kind of like get the ingredients to mix a little bit and settle in. Just a tiny bit of extra milk right there. Yep, there we go. Next up, 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Cap them up. And now, shake and bake. And yeah, that's it. So like I said, each of these, it's got 950 calories, 55 grams of protein, 97 grams of carbohydrates, and about 38 or 39 grams of fat. And last thing, I'm gonna just store it in the fridge tonight and enjoy it tomorrow morning. So yeah, that's my recipe. I know it's not easy getting in all these calories. So like typically my schedule is I wake up at 5:30 in the morning, I'll down one of these, wait a little bit, head to the gym, come back and have a second breakfast, and then head to work. That way I get a bunch of my calories in before the day starts. So for me, I work as a full-time dentist, and being in the healthcare field, you're always running late. Some procedures may take longer than others, and that way I'm not gonna have my full lunch break. Sometimes I'll just have to be in and out and eat whatever I can. At least this way, I try to make sure I get a bulk of my calories in during the morning, so that by the time I hit lunch, I could get in whatever I need to, come back home, eat dinner, get in a protein shake somewhere throughout the day, and I'll be good to go. Hopefully this recipe makes it a little bit easier for you all to get your calories in. And if you do end up trying it, I'm curious to know how it went for you. So drop in the comments, let me know what you think. Have a good night.